Hi, I'm Luciana, Luli Brasil, and today I'm going to make pudim flan. Eu sou Luciana, Luli Brasil, e hoje eu vou fazer pudim. The same way we make in Brazil. It's the same, like, I don't know how you make in Canada or in your country, I don't know where you are, but in Brazil we make, like, we put 3 eggs, it's here already. 3 eggs on the blender. Doesn't matter which trademark you have, must be a blender. 3 eggs. Oh, it's complete with the white part and the yolk. Okay, you see, there is 3 eggs here. 1 can of condensed milk I'm covering because I don't want to show the trademark. Remember to wash that because it might be dirty, but well, you are not using the cover, but just to take care, because sometimes the rats pee on the, like in the dairy pot, on the warehouse, you know. So 1 can of condensed milk and the same measurement of milk, whole milk, okay? Well, if you want to make with skim milk, go ahead. If you know how to make milk, condensed milk at the home, go ahead. It works the same way. I like tickling like that. I said I was not going to show the. So the same measurement, I use the can to measure the milk, okay? In Canada, you use those 1%, 3%. I use 3%, okay? I'm also don't want to make the propaganda of the milk. I like doing that, so I take more condensed milk. I know it's like poor people, but I'm not rich. You should see how I do with the toothpaste. Okay, here. So we don't put sugar for sure because the condensed milk has lots of sugar. If you are diabetic, you should learn how to make the recipe of diet condensed milk. Okay, let's go. I'm learning. Oh. I didn't plug. I didn't plug. Let's see. Cannot reach the plug. Well, I have to find a way to reach the plug, so here we go. Can you still see there? Okay. So complicated. it's really mixed. Okay, can you see? Yep. I don't see if you can see. Anyway, so what are we gonna do? What am I gonna do? As soon as I open it. Okay, I will put in a pan. You can put in proper, that one with the hole. I'm not going to put sugar here. Some people, we put a crystal, like you put sugar, a spoon of crystal sugar, a spoon of water, and they leave it until it caramelize the sugar. But I don't do it because my husband has diabetes, so if I do it that will put more sugar in the recipe. So I put it here just like that. Oh, I don't want to taste good. Oh, too bad. But that's how I make. He likes with sugar for sure. And you can put with a pan with the water inside of the stove, but it's not that I'm going to do. I'm going to get the pressure cook. You will feel like here, see? So you will cover, because when it starts boiling, the water will condense and get inside, so you don't want that. So you cover. You can put the lid if you want. You can put that aluminum foil. I prefer doing that. Okay, you will need just like a cup of water, because when you put the pan inside here, that pan inside here, the water will go up. So just like 250 ml of water. Here. If you think it's not enough because the pan is wide, well, let me uncover that because it's still tricky to put inside like that. Okay. Okay. So here. So I covered. You see. I covered, and the water is still not enough here. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to put more water. But it is covered, so it won't have problem. That's it. Okay, that's enough, because we don't want the pudding with the water inside. You can see there. Okay. So I will put to boil until I will cover, and when it starts making noise, that shh, you count like, if you want 10 minutes, that's enough. But some people like 15 minutes. Okay, you can test the recipe you want, and you can look in the internet to see how long they put. Okay, and that pudding flan, you know how it is, so I'm not going to show the picture. Well, I will put the picture on the description of the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and may God bless us.